There's nothing worse than being in a heat wave and finding out something's wrong with your air conditioning. Bob Riley from We Care Plumbing, Heating and Air is here to teach us the basic maintenance your AC needs to run smoothly. Bob, thanks for joining us today.
Thanks for having me.
So tune-ups, it's something that people really need on the air conditioning system, correct?
Yeah, it's just something you really need on your air conditioning system. You're not going to drive a car across country or everything and just, hey, I'm going to go for it. You need to make sure everything's up and ready to go when the time you need it.
So it's really, you relate it to a car, and I think that's great because most people can understand that. You would not buy a car and never do maintenance, never do a tune-up, never do an oil change. You'd expect that car to break down fairly quickly.
Oh yeah, you'll see them on the side of the freeway real quick.
But same thing with your air conditioning system, though. It needs basic maintenance.
You need to make sure your system is running properly when it's time to come. There's manufacturer specs, and you need to get that system up to manufacturer specs.
Now, I think some people at home may think, well, I changed my filter. Is that enough, or is there a lot more to it?
That's just a Band-Aid maintenance. You really need to dig into it and check the voltage of your system, check the Freon level of your system, just to make sure when you flip that switch on, the system is going to work properly, and it's not going to break down, hopefully, when you're using it.
So if you do this basic maintenance, it's going to stay cooler in your home likely, be more efficient, and last longer?
Yes, definitely lasts longer. Freon is made up for two reasons. One, it's to cool your house, but it's also used to cool the system. If you don't have enough Freon in your system, next thing you know, your motor's going to get overheated, thermal breakdown, thermal lockup, and that's going to be the end of it.
So I know we've gone through some heat, I know more is going to come. You guys are always busy, but it's not too far out that you're booked. If somebody called, how long would it take for that tune-up to get done for them?
Just a couple days.
Oh, that's quick.
Yeah.
I thought it might say a week or two.
Oh no, we want to take care of our customers quick because you're out there sweating, and we want to make sure you're cooling down again.
Yeah, you don't want to see me sweating.
No.
What does a tune-up cost with We Care?
It's $69 right now.
$69,
Yes.
wow. Yeah. And when somebody goes out from We Care and they do that tune-up, if they find specific issues that need to be fixed beyond that, what will they do? Give a list or help educate people?
They're going to sit down with you and educate you and say, this is what's going on with your system. This is where it's at. If they come out and your system's perfect, hey, it's perfect. Thank you. Have a nice day. If there's little parts of it that need to be attention brought to you, they're going to write it down and say, here's some options you can do. And then you can prioritize it like, this needs to be done now, or this doesn't have to be done for a while. Just something that you need to be looking at.
Thanks so much, Bob. You can find We Care and more great information to help with home ownership on ApprovedHomePros.com.